Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I have not uploaded any videos of late, but now onwards I'm going to do that regularly because I miss making videos, I miss putting it on YouTube. Actually, I was getting confused between family business, institutional trainings, corporate trainings, YouTube, Instagram, but now I've finalized my way and I'm going to go ahead with YouTube and make many videos. Hey guys, I would also like to talk about my outfit today. Now this is a lace shirt with a tie. So tie is a representative of formal outfit and lace fabric as such is indicative of dressy formal. And these kind of buttons, they also are representative of formal. So this shirt is kind of appropriate for office dinner, dressy formal occasions. This was my fashion tip for today. Today's video is about my physical transformation. Yes, I have recently lost 7 kgs and in 3 months and I'm very proud of it. And I would like to share my tips with you guys. Let me start. Since past 2 years, I have been exercising on and off and doing my own dieting bit. Because the age bracket that I am in, my metabolism is low. So all the energy and efforts that I was putting in were kind of wasted and I did not achieve any significant transformation. Remembering my husband always says, quoting Mahatma Rai, the spiritual guru and corporate coach, who says that you don't have to know everything. If you don't know anything, take help. Taking a cue from there, I decided to approach a personal trainer and a dietitian. So I approached Mohammed Musawi. Under his guidance, I have done exercises as well as diet for the past 3 months and here I am. A drastic change, the toning up and weight loss both as achieved in my body. I would like to offer suggestion here is weight loss is a combination of diet as well as exercise. Only exercise alone is not enough. So while talking about exercise bit, I do weight training thrice a week and cardio thrice a week. So in my cardio is a mix of walk and run. So as Mohammed suggested me, I run for a minute, then walk for a minute. The logic behind it is once your heart rate is up, it contributes to your weight loss. And that is why the 1 minute of run and 1 minute of walk, the series of it ensures that my heart rate is up and weight loss process is on. And while talking about the gym exercises, we focus on 2 body parts in each session. So if it is biceps and back, so next time maybe it's triceps and chest. Next time it can be shoulder and legs and abs. So we just focus on 2 body parts. My training starts with cardio, 5 minutes of cardio in the beginning and about 10 to 15 minutes of cardio in the end. Doing cardio in the end helps towards the weight loss. Now the diet part. While talking about the diet part, I have divided my entire experience into 4 vital and most essential tips. So tip number 1 is replace all your carbohydrates with proteins. Carbohydrates includes your flour, sugar, your roti, rice. Because I'm vegetarian, the protein that I have been consuming comprises of dal, eggs, paneer, tofu, and soya. Substituting breads and rotis and rice with all of these proteins will make you feel very energetic, positive, and will make you feel very strong.
Well, look at this.
Take it from
He's trashed the
Tip number 2
57.75 he had to
is
beat.
you should begin your day with 2 glasses of water followed by 1 glass of warm water with lemon squeezed into it. Because it detoxes your system in the morning. Tip number 3 is your last meal of the day should be at 8 o'clock and not post that. Because from night 8 to morning 8 is the time that you should get your body to relax. But yes, when I feel hungry in the night, I take protein shake in the night. So my protein shake comes to my rescue always.
When you were young, did your parents have to force you to eat your vegetables by saying that you couldn't have dessert until you finished them? Or were you one of the very few kids who actually enjoyed eating vegetables?
So another major transformation is in the choice of food. Earlier, I would go to the vegetable grocer and I would just pick up 3-4 of my favorite veggies. But now I consume everything. Leafy vegetables and the exotic vegetables such as red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, broccoli, all of them all are a part of my diet. And gradually I have been able to observe the change in my body and in my performance after I've included all of this in my diet. Whenever you feel hungry intermittently in the evening or sometime throughout the day, do not hunt for those cookies, biscuits, fries, but instead have some healthy options like peanuts, dates, almonds. I mean, I used to be such a big fan of glucose biscuit and Marie biscuit, but nowadays, whenever I feel hungry with my light tea in the evening, I opt for oats biscuits. Guys, that's all. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel so that you are notified about the upcoming videos. Till then, take care of your health, stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy.